Time now for this hour's car review. I had a chance to drive the 2024 Kia EV9.
Not more EVs,
Yeah.
come
so
on.
this is the EV thing, and this is what prompted me to tell you that big, long, involved story ahead of this review. So here we go. The EV9 is all brand new for 2024, and I'm going to tell you right up front, I really did like it. It was a very nice vehicle. Available trim levels include light, long range, the wind, the land, and the GT line. I had the EV9 long-range all-wheel drive GT line, and boy, was it nice. They call this a standard-size SUV, 3 rows of seats, including the driver, the number of them, 6. Exterior changes from last model year. Like I said, it's all new for 2024. Sharp-looking, full-size SUV with unique, attractive lighting up front, black wheel opening extensions, attractive lower valance between the wheels, 4-spoke black Aero-style wheels, good-looking rear end with layered styling in the back. What I liked about it, well, for me, the overall look for this EV gets 5 stars. What could use improvement? I don't know. Nothing. That's what I wrote down here. Interior highlights. Attractive dash design with a single screen that includes the instrument cluster in front of the driver and then the infotainment system over in the middle. Beautiful nighttime lighting throughout the cabin, comfortable seating with nice leather surfaces, high quality modern materials, and a beautiful Meridian sound system. Cargo room, adequate with the third row down. You got the third row up, ain't much back there. What I liked about it, it fits well, the interior fits well with the exterior. They match. What could use improvement? Odd gear shift with a stalk behind. Can you see it there behind the steering wheel, the lower right-hand side of inside the steering wheel? So that's a stalk back there. To start it, you press the little round thing, and that starts it. Of course, all it does is go let you know that it's running.
How does it go? Okay.
And it also is the gear shifter. So you twist it forward, puts it in drive. You twist it backwards, it puts it into reverse. You push the button on the end of it, puts it in park. It's kind of a weird deal, but I got used to it pretty quickly. And it was all right. Engine, obviously electric. Turns out 379, what we would refer to as horsepower. Torque, 516 pound-feet. Tow rating, 5,000 pounds. About 304 miles on a full charge. What I liked about it, smooth, awesome power. What could use improvement? Charging. I do not have a level 2 charger here at the house. All I got is 110 volt, and it came with a cord that you can plug it into the wall. And if you go to a level 2 charger or have a level 2 charger installed in your house, to get a full charge on it takes about 15 hours. Ride and handling. What I liked about it, it was smooth. It was a heavy vehicle, but boy, ride quality, again, 5 stars. What could use improvement? Doesn't get much better than this. Here's the killer part about it. It's not cheap. Base trim price, $73,900. Price is tested, $78,430. Base model price with lower power and ability to travel 300 miles, it doesn't do, $54,900. Competitors, well, we went out and looked at Tesla Model X for $79,990. The Rivian R1S, $76,700, but they're going to go out of business and you won't be able to get parts for that. Hyundai Ioniq 5 starts at $41,800. That's my review of the 2024 Kia EV9. Very nice vehicle, despite the fact that it's electric.
How does it go when you start it again? Okay.
It has
sure.
an electric sound.
Now I got an earworm with that going on.
Yeah.